Hi guys, it's another day. It is
That the Lord has made. We will be glad in Him.
today we're gonna prank our little friend Kina. We're gonna prank her by saying we don't want her to be here anymore. We're gonna put her phone in the corner and you guys are gonna see everything, okay? Just wait. Let's do it. Kina! It's a prank! Come here! Come here!
And she took the prank. Was serious, guys. She took it was serious.
Go cola! Go cola! Go cola!
It was a prank.
She took it too serious. If you
Prank.
guys want us to
We
make
took a video from us while we make a prank.
If you guys want us to make more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification for more videos, and I'll see you in my next
And
one.
write your name in the comments.
Yes, we want all of you name, and we're gonna write I'm gonna make it school. I'll make a book called My Common Names, and I'll be writing all of your name, and we will be sending presents to you guys. We can send oranges, we can send apples, we can send bananas. We're gonna send a lot of stuff to your house. Make sure you hit that comment right
And
now.
like that video, clock that video.
Bye guys. If you guys want us to make more videos like this. Okay, the girls here.
You know that?
she literally swear I will be pin that out. Okay? She come. Don't fight, don't fight, don't fight, don't fight, don't fight, don't fight. Guys, we die pranken. Say hello to the camera. So what we were doing is we were trying to prank you. The phone was here. Phone was standing here. Did you see the phone? Yes. Don't talk nonsense, you didn't. So we did a little prank. If you guys want us to make more pranks like this on her sister, on our friends, or our parents, or our cousins, just do.
Just if you want more videos, like and subscribe and smash that like button.
Comment for part 2 and like. Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.